It is my first visit to the University of Copenhagen, and so far so great. I've really enjoyed meeting the young scientists, and I look forward to my day. I think chemistry is marvelous. I wish I had studied chemistry in college, and I'm just learning it now. This is an incredibly exciting time because we have to learn how to do chemistry even better than the way that we're doing it now. I breed molecules like people breed cats and dogs. We take DNA that encodes an enzyme and make mutations to it or recombine it with DNA from other species, and we see what comes out of the process. We can choose the molecules that go on to reproduce in the next generation and breed new traits into enzymes. Lots of laboratories have used these methods of directed evolution to make everything from enzymes for laundry detergents to catalysts that make pharmaceuticals to biofuels, all sorts of applications of biotechnology where enzymes do the chemistry. This technology has been useful for improving those enzymes. My advice to young women in science is just to go and do it. It's a great career, it's a lot of fun to do science, and it's a wonderfully flexible career. You get to explore new ideas, new knowledge, do something useful for the world. Go for it.